Good morning, students. In this video, we will study about carbon, a versatile elements. Now, see children, we have seen that carbon atoms, like other atoms also, they share the valence electrons and form covalent bond. Similarly, we also saw the structure of the simple carbon compound, that is methane. But carbon is not like all the elements, it is different, and it can form so many compounds from carbon, which is extremely large. Means so many compounds can be, the number of compounds found from carbon is extremely large. And we have seen in the starting of the chapter that except metal, glass and soil, all other objects are made from carbon. Means we can say in short that whole living kingdom is made from carbon. Even our body is also made from carbon. Millions of molecules ranging from the small and simple methane molecule to the extremely large DNA also are made from carbon. And the molecular masses of carbon compounds range up to 10 raised to power 12. This means that carbon atom comes together in large number to form extremely large molecule. Now, what is the cause of this unique property of carbon? It is due to the peculiar nature of the covalent bonds formed by carbon. It can form large number of compounds. Why it can form large number of compounds? Only because of the nature peculiar nature of the covalent bonds formed by carbon. So from this we come to know the following characteristics of carbon. So here one by one at least 4 characteristics are given. We will see first one. See children, carbon has a unique ability to form strong covalent bonds with other atoms. It has the means only unique ability to form covalent bonds with other atoms. And what happens? This results in formation of big molecules, and this property of carbon is called catenation power. Then the carbon compounds contain open or closed chain. See, an open chain is can be straight chain or a branch chain, and a closed chain is a ring structure. And the covalent bond found between two carbon atoms is very strong and it is very stable. Due to the strong and stable covalent bond, carbon is bestowed with catenation power. Means because of this ability to form covalent bond only, it is very strong and therefore it is stable. Now see children, here molecular mass of some carbon compound is shown to you. So here next one we will see two carbon atoms can be bonded together by 1, 2 or 3 covalent bond. For 1 we call it as single bond, for 2 we call it as double bond, and for 3 we call it as triple bond. And due to the ability of carbon atom to form a single bond or more than single bond, the number of carbon compound increases. See children, for example, it is shown in your book. See, ethane is having single bond, then ethene is having double bond, and ethine is having triple bond, which contains 2 carbon atoms in all of them: ethane, ethene, and ethine. Then C, third point we'll see, being tetravalent. Tetravalent means it has 4 atoms in their outermost shell. Being tetravalent, one carbon atom can form bonds with other atoms, with 4 other atoms. And what happens? This results in formation of many compounds. These compounds possess different property different as per the atoms to which the carbon is bonded. Means कार्बन काय असते, दुसऱ्या ॲटमसोबत बॉन्डिंग होते, त्याचं होऊ शकते का, पण त्याच्यामध्ये जे प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत ते दुसऱ्या ॲटमचे सुद्धा असतात. जसं नुसतं समजा त्याचं बॉन्डिंग सीचं बॉन्डिंग एचसोबत झालं तर त्याच्यामध्ये एचचे पण काही एच म्हणजे हायड्रोजनचे काही प्रॉपर्टीज येतात आणि कार्बनचे पण. कारण की त्याचं कॉम्बिनेशन हायड्रोजनसोबत झालेलं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 5 डिफरंट कंपाऊंड्स आर फॉर्म्ड. हाऊ दे आर फॉर्म्ड? दे आर युझिंग 1 कार्बन ॲटम, 2 hydrogen atom and chlorine also. So they possess the properties of carbon also, hydrogen also and chlorine also. So which are the 5 compounds they are formed? See, CH4, CH3Cl, CH2Cl2, CHCl3, CCl4. Similarly, carbon atoms form covalent bond with other atoms also, like oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen and phosphorus, to form different types of carbon compounds in large number. Then last one is carbon has one more characteristics which is responsible for large number of carbon compounds. It is isomerism. And now shortly only we will learn about it. Okay, so here we have seen today about carbon, a versatile element, and these are the four properties. They are the 4 points which we have seen. They are the characteristics of carbon. In the next video we will study about hydrocarbons, saturated and unsaturated.